So we're here with another solar power installation in Xavierville, where we partnered with a Germany-based solar company that has an office here called Regen. And we installed here a 3 kilowatt solar power system capable of saving the owner 52,000 pesos in electricity bills. So aside from installing ourselves, we're also open to partnerships with other solar companies so that we can change the landscape of energy in the Philippines. So this is a SMA Inverter. It's one of the premier inverter brands in the world. It's made in Germany. So to get the power, you have to do this. So now it's outputting 1,048 watts, and it has so far generated 10 megawatt hours or 10,000 kilowatt hours, saving the owner around 100,000 pesos in electricity bills. So this house also has a net meter installed. It's called a bidirectional meter, and the meter can read power going into the house and out of the house. So when the power is going into the house, you get charged by Meralco. When the power is going out of the house, Meralco pays you back. So that's how a net metering system works.